Another trip into town. Truck parked over there. Today is very, very crowded in town. We could not find a single spot by the river where we parked the other day, which was maybe like half empty last time. So we parked quite a ways away next to the St. Mary's Church, which is closer to, what direction of town is this? I guess it would be like the west side of town versus the east side of town. Well, the east side of town before the bridge, because in Banff you have like the main like touristy area with all the shops, and then you cross a bridge over the river. That's how you get to like the other side of town where there's some residential areas. That's how you get to the hot springs. That's where the big hotel is. But all the popular shopping and eating stuff is where we are on this side, and we're on the west side of that. So we got to decide where to go. Where are we going to go?
Tim Hortons is right there.
We'll go to Tim Hortons right there.
Or go up our way to
Right there. We may as well go check out Tim Hortons, see if it's busy.
Right here,
Okay? Because chances are the library is going to be busy too. So at least at Tim Hortons we can get something to drink. This is the St. Mary's Catholic Church. They have peonies blooming, which Marlene kind of goes bananas over. Look at her. Going bananas over peonies. Crossing the boundaries to go smell the peonies. I have 2 watches, but I never wear them.
Why?
I don't know, I've stopped liking the way it feels.
I don't like how mine feels.
You like it? You don't wear a watch either.
No, because I don't, because it doesn't show real time.
No, you want a watch that shows real time?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get you a real watch. If you're ready to get a real watch, we can get you a real watch.
I want my pocket knife.
A pocket watch?
No, my pocket knife.
Oh, you want your pocket knife?
Yeah.
Remember, you're supposed to wait till you're 16 to get that.
Bodie got his when he was like 8 or 9.
I don't think so.
Yes, he did.
We'll ask him when we see him.
Bodie.
We'll ask him when we see him.
He got his pocket knife when he was 9 or 8. Like, did you see how many times he cut himself?
Yeah, how many times has he cut himself with his pocket knife?
I just hurt myself and I got a little bit of blood when I was on that sharp part of that crispy thing.
Yeah, that's not good. You cut yourself just on that. Little wine opener.
A few moments later.
Still raining. Or maybe it just started raining again. Look at, there's another one of those wicked campers. This one has pictures of the Beatles on it. It's raining pretty good. Well, let's get to the car quick. It's not a terribly exciting day. The weather's kind of crappy. Still good view though. I mean, if you look at, can you see that? The clouds actually make the scenery a bit more dramatic. But it's Wednesday. It's my heaviest work day of the week with a lot of meetings, and you know, with my work, everything starts new on Wednesdays. So busy wrapping up old projects, starting new ones, meeting with people, making sure everybody's on the same page. So that's been pretty much what I've been doing all day. And probably gonna go hopefully explore something once I'm done with the workday. Assuming the rain, the scatter showers stop. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. Bucket wheel excavator. Yeah, where do you sit when you're driving one?
I don't know what.
Oh, right here, look. The driver sits there.
use the saw.
Mm-hmm. You want to drive one of those?
Yeah, and I'm gonna push the red button and see what it does. If it does the saw, and if I do the red button again, it stops. That's good.
Yeah. That's easy. You can drive that right now.
How will I get up in there?
I don't know. Maybe a bird can pick you up, drop you off.
No. I know how to get in. You just
quiet, we're in the
climb
library.
on these and climb up here, then go here and up here, and then here, and then go down this excavator. It's a boom.
And the boom. Yeah, that's the boom. Good job.
They can walk all over the whole world without eating food.
Really? They don't get hungry?
Yeah, ever in their whole life.
What about thirsty?
Never thirsty. They should drink 100 billion water if they want to do that.
Good idea. You got a lot of ideas, baby.
If you want to do that, you have to eat the whole world.
Whole world? One bite?
In one bite, and just swallow and bite it.
Oh, your tummy will be really big after that.
So big that so many slimy stuff will be all over the world. As if the world is already bitten. Bitten. In one piece.
Peanut gallery. The sun came out. Can you believe it?
I can believe it.
Yeah? Look at that.
It's been out forever.
Heavy clouds are over there, I think. There's some light clouds over there. There's a lot of sun on that mountain. The rain, washed out half of these pictures that people did on Canada Day.
They washed it out.
I don't think there are any here.
This.
Were there?
Yeah,
I don't think there were.
maybe people didn't drop it.
It's a good thing you're wearing your rain boots. You want to get your Minnie Mouse shoes dirty?
No, I want my rain boots on.
Where are your rain boots?
She didn't want to wear them.
Oh, bad choice, Mila. You made a bad choice. Now you're regretting it now.
Oh, tonight? Gotta eat dinner.
What's that doing?
Hey, do you know where you're throwing? Almost hit me. Watch and learn.
What's that doing? They smoke things in the water.
Don't touch cigarette butts.
What?
Gross.
Watch and learn.
Not boiling yet.
Are you giving her drawing lessons?
Yes. This is my object wall.
That's awesome.
This is good as I can make it.
Yeah, that's
I
awesome.
put the only one right at the beginning. Right?
You put hearts on them.
It's hard to memorize them. Look it, we even drew the fox for me.
That's cool.
Wait.
There's more. There's a lot of space still. Wow.
Because it's new.
Yeah. Animal Jam.
I forgot to write Animal Jam. I can't make another one as good as this. Never.
I'm sure you can.
I can make a better
Keep trying.
I can make a good one. I could make a bigger head if you want. I think
The one bad thing about cooking over a fire like this is the smoke in your eye. Look at that. That guy is ready. Oh, I'm going to spill. Don't spill. Okay. That's ready. This is probably ready too. This is, thumbs up for what? For Daddy's food? The beans and the pork chops? Okay, can you get up now and eat?
Sit up, buddy.
He has to lay down to give me all the thumbs he has.